Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Aisha. So I'm super excited today because I am going to be installing the new Hybrid Racing B-Series shifter. I have had other shifters, other adjustable shifters. What made me intrigued about this shifter is the fact that you can actually adjust the throw from inside of the car. Hybrid Racing's engineering of this short shifter is like none other. I've tried many other shifters over the years and I've never seen any of them come close to this design. This shifter is made with a rod and sleeve design where the rod moves up and down inside of the sleeve in order to adjust the throw. The shift knob height and offset is also adjustable, and all of these adjustments can be done from the inside of the car, which I'll show you later in this video. Hybrid Racing eliminated the need for the OEM plastic bushing by using a spherical bushing in the aluminum base of this shifter, which makes the movement of this shifter so smooth and fluid. The shifter comes with all of the necessary mounting hardware to install. I'll be using the Hybrid Racing 15th Anniversary Maxim shift knob to go along with the shifter. I am super excited to install this and test it out. So in order to remove the shift linkage, I'm going to remove the upper portion of my old shifter so that when I'm ready to drop the shift linkage, it can fit through the hole. Then I'm going to jack the car up and support it with jack stands. Now I'm going to remove the 12mm bolt that holds the stabilizer bar of the shift linkage onto the transmission. Then I'm going to remove the spring pin that holds the shift rod onto the transmission shift rod. Then I'm going to remove both pieces of the shift linkage from the transmission. Then I'm going to remove the two 12mm bolts that hold the shift linkage up to the body of the car. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of my old shifter from the shift linkage. Before I install the shifter, I want to point out that Hybrid Racing created an assembly guide to assist with the installation of the shifter. So you can find that guide on the Hybrid Racing website on the page of the shifter. You just scroll down and click the tab that says Install, then you click View Install Guide here. You can follow through the guide here on this page, or you can save the guide as a PDF or print it out, which I did, because I like to read directions and follow them when they're available. So before I install the shifter, let me show you how the throw is adjusted. So you basically just loosen the two bolts on the sleeve here, and the rod slides up and down. When you slide the rod down, that makes the throw short, and when you slide the rod up, it makes the throw long. There are markings here on the side that you can use as reference points when you're adjusting the throw of the shifter. I'm going to set it at the 0 point to install and test drive, and then I'll make adjustments from there. Drill that third hole in the shift linkage. Or a B16B. Once you've installed in the car, I'm going to install the upper portion of the shifter. So this entire upper portion can be rotated 360 degrees to adjust the offset of the shift knob. Once you figure out a position that's comfortable, you tighten this bolt to lock it in place. The shift knob height is also adjustable. You just loosen this bolt and slide the rod up and down to adjust. It's adjustable up to 3 inches higher than a stock shifter. So once you find a height that's comfortable, you tighten the bolt to lock it in place. I literally pulled off on the side of the road and I'm going to adjust the throw of the shifter. I had it set at the 0 point and now I'm going to adjust it so it's shorter and test that out. So I just got back from test driving and I am impressed. I mean, this shifter is so crisp and precise. I actually installed the Speed Factory detent springs last year, and with my old shifter, I could not feel an actual difference. And with this, the years, I had an adjustable one, and the adjustability of that bell so you get the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.